Hi again. Our next issue is pure fun, and we are going to talk about pictures. Um, you know the saying, a picture is worth a thousand words, and actually it's true because when you market your startup, when you market your business, images and pictures are very important because we humans, the visual part of our brain is very powerful. We want to see things. That's how we experience them. That's how we get a better idea of what we are being offered. So why would we need pictures? Well, we need them for our website. Okay, we have learned how to build a website, and a good website needs good pictures. Of course, we have pages on our social media. We have social media pages, and we need cover pictures for them. We will also learn how to do that. And when you write a post on your social media, usually a post that gets more interaction is a post with good images, with good pictures. Of course, if one day you start buying advertising, good advertisements in many cases have pictures. And if you make a presentation, if you make a presentation for potential investors, for potential customers, and so on. So we need to get good pictures, and that's what we're going to learn now. So that's our question. How to get free of charge, we're not going to pay for them, how to get free images and free photos. First of all, a small warning, don't use copyrighted images or photos. Don't use pictures, images, photos that belong to someone else. You use them for commercial use and you can be sued. So we will learn how to get free of charge images and pictures that we are allowed to use also for our commercial use. So first of all, the first source is your own pictures. Okay, you should learn to take pictures. For example, one of the strongest tools for marketing is testimonials, is pictures of happy customers, people who really used your product or your service and they have something good to say about it. And it's better that you take it or they take it, because if you get some picture from the internet and it doesn't seem trustworthy, it means when people see that it's some kind of a model, it doesn't establish trust. And that's the whole idea. When you add testimonials to your website, you want people to believe you. And it's better to have a picture that maybe is not that professional, but it looks real. Okay? So the first source is your own pictures, and even if they are not at the highest level, as long as they look real, in many cases, it does the trick. The second source is Pixabay. And Pixabay is a great website. All you have to do is to go to pixabay.com and you have a search engine here. So most of the pictures are actually free of charge. You can look for images, that includes photos as well, or you can look for videos. So let's assume that I'm trying to promote my software company. So I'll write here software and let's see what I get. So at the upper part, I have pictures that actually cost money, but at the lower part, I have a lot of free of charge, royalty-free images. And for example, let's assume that I choose this one, okay? That I decide that this one is good for me. All I have to do is actually to click on free download, okay? And with free download, I can even choose the resolution of the picture. Please note that you don't always need the heaviest picture, which means one of the most important thing is that your website will upload quickly. Remember that most people, probably 60, maybe even 70% of them, use the internet on the mobile phone. And what you need is that your website will load quickly when people browse your site from a mobile phone. So maybe actually I'll choose that resolution and download it. It wants to make sure that I'm not a robot. And here I got a royalty-free picture, a image that I can use for my website, for example, or for a cover of my social media, or for a presentation and so on. So that's the first source. It's called Pixabay. Just go to pixabay.com. The second source is Pexels. Pexels is a similar site. I can write here software, as I said. And let's see what I can find here. So there are other images here. Let's say that I like this one. And again, I click on free download and I get the image. So you have now you have three sources actually: your own pictures, you have Pixabay, and you have Pexels, and actually you have tons of free photos there that you can use for your marketing needs. And now actually it's your turn. Okay, so I have a small exercise for you. Use these tools, use these ideas to get free images. Okay, so always think about the reason why. The reason why is simply, why do people buy from you? So find images, find photos that illustrate, okay, that illustrate the value, the need that you are fulfilling here, okay, the value that you deliver to people. You can also think about A/B testing, and I'll explain. When marketing online, in many cases, we create 2, 3, 4 different advertisements, or 2, 3, 4 different landing pages. Why? Well, we don't know which one will be the most effective, okay? Which one will get us the best leads and so on. And sometimes the A/B testing has to do with different images or different pictures. So for example, in one advertisement, I will put a picture of my product, but on another one, I will put a picture of happy customers. So you can also think about A/B testing. So you should collect a variety of pictures and images that you will be able to use in the future. And of course, when you start downloading all those images, think about a variety of digital assets. Think about your website, think about your social media pages, maybe even if you do email marketing and so on. That's it. Good luck. I'm sure you'll actually enjoy it. It's really a lot of fun to use those images when you create your own digital assets. See you in the next video.